नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings on this auspicious Guru Purnima day. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, owners of Sarvanya Peetha, Tanidar, Kotari, Balasans, Rishis, Swamis, Mahaswamis, Goswamis, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us from all over the world in Bididi, in all over the world from Bididi. From all over the world in Bididi and in all over the world from Bididi. I welcome all of you sitting with us in Rajya Sabha, newly refurbished, inaugurated Rajya Sabha. And sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Ara TV, Nakshatra TV, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world, cities sitting with us through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. First, Nityananda Nagara, Bididi is offering 1008 Nivedyams. Oklahoma Adinam is offering 45 Nivedyams. Hyderabad Adinam is offering 108 Nivedyams. Kuala Lumpur Adinam is offering 108 Nivedyams. Toronto, Canada Adinam is offering 108 Nivedyams. Houston Adinam is offering 121 Nivedyams. New Zealand, Trinidad Tobago is offering 21 Nivedyams. Australia, Nityananda Sangha Australia is offering 108 Nivedyams. And Seattle is offering 65 Nivedyams, Seattle Adinam. Ohio Adinam is offering 112 Nivedyams. Nepal Dhyanapeetham is offering 56,000 lamps and 56 Nivedyams. I accept the Nepal's 56 Nivedyams and 56,000 Deepas. I also commit on this day all the persons, animals, beings suffered during the earthquake, all of them will be liberated. I also bless this nation. Come back to Hinduism. Let this nation come back to Hinduism. To honor this nation's decision to come back to Hinduism, this December I am going there to conduct the inner awakening. All the parties in Nepal have decided to come back to Hinduism. I am so happy with the decision. To support the decision, give my moral support. I will be physically going there and conducting the December inner awakening in Nepal. And I also wanted to encourage the spiritual tourism for Nepal, which has suffered due to earthquake. I am committing to revive it whatever way I can and support Nepal. Dubai Adinam is offering 16 Nevedyams and San Jose Adinam is offering 108 Nevedyams, and today my deity in San Jose Adinam is ready. Through this, I energize and do the Prana Pratishta. Let the energy of Ellam Valla Sittar explode in San Jose. As Sadashiva, I will continuously be available from that Murti to whole US. To mark the presence of Sadashiva in this Murti, all the 5 sacred items, Basma, Kumkuma, turmeric, honey, and the sandal will materialize from now. It will start materializing from that Murti, continuously to tell people my presence. Anybody stares into the third eye of those Murti, of that Murti, their third eye will be awakened. In that Murti, I will always reside and be available as Sadashiva to the whole universe. Los Angeles Adinam is offering 116 Nevedyams. St. Louis Adinam is offering 108 Nevedyams. Oman Adinam is offering 51 Nevedyams. Mill Valley Vairavan Goil is offering 21 Nevedyams. And Hyderabad Adinam, Oklahoma, all the other I already read out. There are many more cities sitting with us: Houston, Texas, High Point, North Carolina, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Baroda, Vadodara, Washington DC, Sripuram, Mill Valley Vairavan Goil, Selayang, Malaysia, Philadelphia, Trinidad, Tobago, North San Antonio, Singapore is offering 121 Nevedyams. Kulim is offering 21 Nevedyams, Pinang is offering 21 Nevedyams, Vadodara is offering 26 Nevedyams, Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. So all the cities I read out and which I have not read out, I accept all your offerings, devotion, Gurumudi, everything. So many more Adinams and Ashrams are joining. Pudvai Adinam is offering 21 Nevedyam. Tiruvannamalai Adinam is offering 21 Nevedyam. I accept everything, and as a living expression of Adi Guru Sadashiva, I accept all this as a personal seva to me and bless all of you. Let you all achieve the ultimate, along with whatever good things you need, you want even in mundane world. My today's message, the Guru Purnima message, Guru Purnima 2015 message, Guru Bhakti. Understand this word Guru Bhakti. It is not just putting few flowers in his feet or doing some small puja. Of course, that is a symbolic representation. But the real Guru Bhakti, understand, being authentic to Guru. Let me explain that word, Guru Bhakti. Being authentic to Guru. Look into your inner image. See how much of your inner image is influenced by Guru's presence in your life. Look into your inner image. See in how much you are still stuck with your old stupid identity and inner image. How much the Guru has influenced, Guru's presence has influenced, and how much of your idea about you has changed. Please understand, your inner image is not you. Not only your inner image is not you, what you think as your inner image is a screen, iron curtain, stopping you to experience the real you. See how much your inner image has been influenced by your Guru's presence in your life. If you continue to have your inner image without changing, you are living your logical life. Yesterday you have been sick. Logically today you will be sick. Logically tomorrow you will be sick or more sick. Till death. That is supposed to be the logical life. Inspiration and energy of the Guru enters into your inner image. Life will not be any more logical. It will become just magical. It is not any more logical. It will simply become magical. How much your inner image is inspired, influenced by your Guru's presence in your life. How much your outer image is inspired and influenced. What kind of outer image you show to your Guru. And how your Guru holds you. What is the anyakara he is having about you? Have you taken responsibility for it? What kind of an image you hold about Guru and the life around Guru, the Sangha. Understand, Guru Bhakti is bringing authenticity in your relationship with Guru. Let your inner image be as your Guru wants. Whoever considers me as your Guru, understand? Whoever considers me as your Guru, for all of you, I am making it very clear. The inner image I expect from you. I want you to have the inner image of Shivoham. My taste is very simple in anything. I just want the best thing. My taste is too simple. Go on transforming your inner image every day, whether it is an inch or meter or kilometer or mile. Move towards Shivoham. That's the first step for any activism. Please understand. Any activism in your life, the first step is moving towards Shivoham. Align your inner image towards what your Guru wants as your inner image. How you project yourself to your Guru. Sit and align. Sit and analyze how he holds you. What is his anyakara for you? Are you taking responsibility for it? Understand, anyone who takes responsibility to align themselves to my anyakara, I commit with you. You experiencing Shivoham is my responsibility. As Sadashiva, I give you the boon of living Shivoham. When Guru ordains, he sustains. Understand. I never ordain anything which I cannot sustain. If I have told you, do completion for 3 months, I already sent the energy to do completion to you, and then only I ask you to do. If Krishna is asking Kuchela to do all the danas, whatever wealth is required for Kuchela to do the danas, Krishna has already sent to Kuchela's house. Only then he is asking Kuchela to do the danas. Understand, anything I ordain, I already sent whatever is required to you. I already sent whatever is needed to sustain it. Only then I ordain. Be a man to stand up to Guru's anyakara. Impossibility is not cute. Impossibility is not cute. Nobody is here to celebrate your powerlessness. Powerlessness is not fashionable. Impossibility is not cute. Nobody is going to tell you, oh, how innocent and cute he looks. No. Shivaganas are the modern day fashion. Be a Shivagana. Gana means filled in length, breadth, depth. Let your length, breadth, depth be filled by Shiva. That is the meaning, definition of Shiva Gana. Let not any dimension of you be left without being filled by Shiva. Understand, let your length, breadth, depth, all dimensions be filled by Shiva, Sadashiva. That is the meaning of Shiva Gana. Remember, when Mahadeva ordains, he sustains. When Sadashiva ordains, he sustains. The living expression of Sadashiva, your Guru, when he ordains, he sustains. What is the influence of your Guru in your inner image? What is the influence of your Guru on your outer image? What kind of outer image you show to your Guru? And what is your Guru's Anyakara for you? How much you have taken responsibility, and what is your Anyakara towards Guru? How you hold him? What's your image towards Guru and life? Align all the four to its highest possibility, that is Guru Bhakti. That is Guru Bhakti. Whether you understand or don't understand, because you don't understand or you feel difficult, you don't want to clap, whatever may be your mind, this is Guru Bhakti. Understand the straightforward sacred truths. There is no compromise. Fools are those who ask shortcut, because shortest cut is a straight line. Shortest distance between 2 points is straight line. Shortest cut between any 2 points is a straight line. Understand? Bring authenticity in your connection with the Master. Bring integrity with your words with the Master. Bring responsibility with your commitment with the Master. Only then you can enrich the world about the Master. Otherwise, you are enriching maybe hypocritical marketing to show you are trying to do something or maintain your position in the Sangha. Maintain your status in the Sangha, not the state. First, bring authenticity with your connection in the Guru, with the Guru. Bring integrity with your words with the Guru. Bring responsibility in your connection with the Guru. Only then you will be enriched by Guru's energy, and you can enrich the world with Guru's energy. Otherwise, you may be just eating kakka biryani. Means crow biryani. You may be thinking you are eating biryani, but end up in eating crow biryani only when you are belching, you will understand. Ka, ka. Guru Bhakti is the first step towards achieving anything, including enlightenment. Even to start the spiritual process, at least to start, maybe the first step, little bit of completion or yoga or meditation. Even for that, you need certain kind of a, at least basic trust towards Guru. The initial form of Guru Bhakti. And ultimately, even for enlightenment, Guru Bhakti is required. Guru Bhakti is required. Actually, Guru Bhakti itself is an independent method to lead you to enlightenment without any other technique or methodology. Without a need to move your body once or blow your nose even once or stare into the mirror even once or get into your past even once, without any technique, any method, just the Guru Bhakti alone is independently intelligent enough to lead you to enlightenment. I tell you, even after enlightenment, I realized the result of enlightenment itself is eternal Guru Bhakti, that's all. Actually, after enlightenment, what you are going to bring into you, what is going to be your foundation cognition, your basic cognition to exist is Guru Bhakti. Guru Bhakti is not your whims and fancies towards your own concept of Guru. It is authenticating yourself, authentically aligning yourself, authenticating yourself and authentically aligning yourself to your Guru by aligning your inner image, outer image, others' image, life image with your Guru's connection. It is actually not difficult. I tell you, the other day one guy came and met me. Actually, even news article appeared about him in the Facebook and all. He came and met me maybe a few months before. Actually, just within 50,000 rupee, he has made a helicopter. He's an Indian automobile mechanic. I was shocked. And it is really flying. 2 persons can fly in that. I was shocked. How 50,000? What did you do? When I studied his inner space, he retained his innocence of, if eyes can see, hands can do. Which was one of the greatest teaching I received from my Guru, beautifully in Tamil. Kannu paaka kai seyyanu, adu daanda manushan. Means, if I see, hands should do, only then you are a man. Actually, in temple, suddenly on a festival day, Devi temple, festival day, the priest is not there to do the decoration, the sandal paste alankara for the Devi. My Guru and me, both of us went to the temple. Suddenly she told me, have you seen in the temple, the main Arunachalaswara temple, they are doing the sandal paste alankara? I said, yes, I have seen, Ma. She said, do it. I said, how? Then she made a statement. கண் பார்க்க கை செய்யணும், அதுதான்டா மனுஷன் போய் பண்றா. If your eyes can see, your hands should do. I tell you, that is basically the village Indian's belief about himself. It is actually the Western engineering education destroys you and makes you feel everything is difficult. Unfortunately, in India, everybody first becomes engineer, only then they try to figure out what to do, what to become. I actually don't read any English book other than the scriptures English translation, because I don't want to be influenced by that Western thought currents. I learnt English only by downloading the spiritual material. Not by reading any Shakespeare, un-Shakespeare, shaking beer or unshaking beer. No, please understand. When you read Shakespeare, you learn to shake beer. Because you get the thought current. It's not that you just get English. You get the thought current. Just not to be influenced by the thought current, I never read English literature. Even though I don't have a mind because of enlightenment, even the words which I use to talk to all of you, first I create that consciously in Sanskrit and then translate. I continue to retain that ability consciously, so that the thought current will never be influenced by the language developers. The language I am using, English, is only a medium. I do not want whatever I am sharing, teaching with you guys, any way to be influenced by those guys who developed this language. Their thought current. I am very clear. You should be inspired, impressed, influenced only by the masters, great masters who developed the language of Sanskrit. So I retain the verbal flow consciously, first generated in Sanskrit and then translated into English and shared with you all. Listen. Simply you can do it. Don't be stupid educated engineer. Still now, in our Sacred Arts department, from making the wax model to finally finishing the carving of a deity, whole thing I can do with my hand. From wax modeling to final finishing, polishing. Because I did not go properly to my diploma college. Otherwise, 3 years is a lot of time. They would have made me believe it is too difficult. In that whole 3 years, finally the fellows who come out, what they learn, just threading one screw. Maybe the half-inch diameter rod, they know how to thread it. That's all. That is the final project, practical examination. And that also you have a choice. God saved me and helped myself to save myself. This concept of difficulty is injected into human beings so that you can be kept as a slave forever, I tell you. Whoever injects the concept of difficulty, renounce those people in your life. You will be saved forever. Whoever teaches you possible in your life, by giving up anything, be around them, you will be saved. At the age of 11, once I ran away to Vadalur. There is a place in Tamil Nadu. The great saint Vallalar lived there. I ran away. The only thing which brought me back is, if I am stuck with something, with the idea of difficulty, who will tell me it is possible and push me? Only my gurus can tell. So I came back to my guru's feet. He said, no. Who will make me understand it is possible? Only my guru can. Guru's feet is the ultimate tirtha. No parivrajaka will help leaving Guru's feet. That is the ultimate tirtha. Any parivrajaka in 3-day depression. Fourth day suicidal depression. Fifth day depression. Only a person who constantly tells you possible, accept him as guru and never leave him. Never leave him. Possibility is his statement. Positivity is his state. As I said, Guru is the statement of God. God is state of Guru. Let your statement be possibility always, and your statemental be positivity always. Maybe a new word, it's okay. Statemental. Let your statement be possibility always, and statemental be possibility and positivity always. Let your statement be possibility and statemental be positivity. Remember, today's Guru Purnima message is Guru Bhakti. It means becoming authentic to your connection with the Guru. Becoming integrated to your connection with the Guru. Taking responsibility to align yourself with your Guru, enriching yourself and others with your Guru's energy. Guru Bhakti is independently intelligent enough technique to lead you from step 1 to ultimate enlightenment, and even after enlightenment result for your life is Guru Bhakti. That is the ultimate satya, ultimate prasada. Guru Bhakti is independently intelligent enough to reach you to enlightenment. Decide today this one thing clearly, strongly, with your whole being. You will become authentic, integrated, responsible and enriching towards your connection with Guru. Whatever incompletions, karma, which is stopping you, bring that and offer it with whatever you are offering today as Sadashiva. I commit with you all. I'll burn all those karmas and give you the greatest prasada, Guru Bhakti. Mahadeva says, Sadashiva says to Parvati, even if you see God, ask Him to give you Guru Bhakti. Even if when you have darshan of God, ask Him to give you Guru Bhakti. Because that will give you everything, and that is the result of everything. That is the first and last inspiration. Don't allow any stupid dog to do dash dash on your Guru Bhakti. You feel the dash. Don't allow any stupid donkeys to do dash dash on your Guru Bhakti. When they try to do dash dash on your Guru Bhakti, what happens to them? You can see whatever negativity they spread, their karma is coming back to them. I have not cursed them, but their karma is coming back to them. They are suffering. But finally, the fellow who lost is stupid you by letting those donkeys do dash dash on your Guru Bhakti. Do not allow any donkey to do dash dash on your Guru Bhakti. Whoever tries to disturb your Guru Bhakti does the worst thing to you. Whoever strengthens your Guru Bhakti are doing the best thing to you. Because that is the life and goal. That is life and goal. Life, goal, result. Today's message, Guru Purnima 2015 message is Guru Bhakti. Live it. Radiate it. With this, I'll move to the next segment of today's celebrations. Offerings to the world from Nityananda Sangha's various departments.
Nityanandam. Now, Swamiji is going to release the Sarvagnapita booklet on this very day of the Guru Purnima.
Actually, this is the first brief presentation of the Sarvagnapita project. Sarvagnapita is the most ancient Vedic Sanatana Hindu Dharma University, existed and existing, started by Mahadeva himself, is going to be now revived by his very energy, his very blessings, by himself. Even though last Inner Awakening I released the booklet, but the first hardbound copy I am releasing it today to public, everyone. Earlier it was more like a pamphlet type, now it is presented in a hardbound booklet. The first Sarvajñapita book goes to the historical, thousands now may become owners. The first owner of Sarvajñapita, Srikant and Prasanna. The first copy goes to them. Prasanna, please come and receive. On behalf of Srikant, Prasanna can receive. Sing. First person who took the step to make this into reality. Thousands may follow, are following, thousands are following. The first person who took the step, my blessings.
Now we move on to other releases. First of all, Nityananda University Press is offering at Swamiji's lotus feet the following 14 books. The first one, Secrets of Third Eye Awakening, The Science and Art of Awakening the Third Eye by His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda.
So, this release goes to the first adult who started fluently reading through Third Eye, Nitya Devi. This copy will be sent to her. She is the first adult who started reading fluently immediately after initiation. So this copy goes to her.
Next is 108 Truths of the Yoga of Enlightenment, Volume 1, Talks on Patanjali Yoga Sutras by His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda.
Actually, all these books today, whatever we are releasing, 14 volumes and Sarvajñapita book, all the 15 are available for free download in nityananda.org. You can go and freely download and read. As we believe knowledge is free, in a way we are also outdating all the gurus who are marketing knowledge by making and declaring knowledge is free.
Next one, Straight Solutions from Upanishads, articles based on talks on Isha Vasya Upanishad by His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda. The 108 Pearls from the Bliss Ocean, Essence of Nitya Satsang by His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda. 108 Nuclear Bombs from Nitya Satsang, a compilation of 108 best loved stories from His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda.
Actually, you have to read the title properly. New and clear. You should not say nuclear, new clear bombs.
Next one is What is Gratitude? Essence of His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda's teachings on gratitude.
Actually, 9/11 has two important things for US. not only the World Trade Center terrorist attack, on the same 9/11 only, Vivekananda spoke in Chicago Parliament of Religion in US. So two different cultures gave two different 9/11 to America. America, remember which 9/11 you want to repeat. One came with nuclear. Please understand, Vivekananda gave new and clear bombs. The other 9/11, you know what it is. So, America, if you want again, the Vivekananda's 9/11, new and clear, get ready.
Now, we are moving on to one more very special release, Katha Upanishad by Paramahamsa Nityananda, with English translation and transliteration in 5 parts on original palm leaves made in ashram at the Nityananda Sacred Arts University, reviving the rare ancient form of Vedic scripture text.
वंदित चरणम श्री नित्यानंद में भव भय हरणम श्री नित्यानंद में वंदित चरणम श्री नित्यानंद में
This is one of my favorite, I can say passionate release about which I am very happy and proud. Thanks to our Swamis and Brahmacharis who worked for it. Now, the whole translation of Upanishads available in modern language in Eastern way. I always tell people, get modernized, nothing wrong, but don't get westernized. Here, the real version of modernized but not westernized, true Easternized Upanishadic presentation. Maybe first time ever English is getting printed on palm leaf. The Indian traditional way, especially Kathopanishad, especially the Vedas and Upanishads. Here, as a 5-volume, Kathopanishad is available, and very soon you can expect all the 108 Upanishads will be available, because we ourselves have our own infrastructure to publish books in palm leaves. We have established a complete infrastructure, sourcing, processing, printing, publishing. In palm leaves, it's done in-house. It's done in-house. Soon we may even start growing our own palm trees. It has come out wonderfully. It has come out wonderfully. I am so happy and feeling satisfied more than with any other things. I am so satisfied with this offering, where beautifully every day you can enjoy the original verse and the translation before going to bed. Just keep it next to your bed, pick up and read few verses and translation, contemplate on that and fall into samadhi. And the leaves are also processed in a traditional, natural way, so the longevity is more and user-friendly. All of you can enjoy. As a 5-volume, Kathopanishad is already ready. Ready? And it is so nice. The first copy goes to me directly. copy. I'm going to keep it with me. It's so beautiful. And I sincerely thank and bless everyone who is behind this whole project, making it successful. Blessings.
Now we are moving on to some e-books which are also being offered. The Upanishads source book translation in Russian, an offering from Russian Nityananda Sangha.
Nityananda Sangha Russia is offering the Upanishad source book in Russian language. I am releasing it as e-version for free download. You can see the book.
Then the Upanishads source book translation in French, an offering from French Nityananda Sangha.
Nityananda Sangha French Nityananda Sangha offers Upanishad source book for free download.
The Upanishads source book translation in Portuguese, an offering from Portuguese Nityananda Sangha.
The Upanishad source book is available in Portuguese by Portuguese Nityananda Sangha.
Living Enlightenment book translation in German, an offering from German Nityananda Sangha.
Nityananda Sangha Germany is offering the Living Enlightenment book in German for free download. It is available in the internet. All of you can download and read.
The Essence of Living Enlightenment book translation in Bengali, an offering from Bengali Nityananda Sangha.
The Nityananda Sangha Bengal offers this book, Living Enlightenment, Essence of Living Enlightenment. The Bengali Sangha is offering the Jivan Mukti, Essence of Jivan Mukti in Bengali. It's available for free download for all of you and read in the internet. Blessings to Nityananda Sangha in Bengal.
The Four Tattvas Path to Jivan Mukti book in Gujarati, an offering from Gujarati Nityananda Sangha.
Nityananda Sangha Baroda is offering the book in Gujarati, Blessings to Gujarat Sangha. It's available in the internet for free download.
The Living Advaita magazine translation in French, again an offering from French Nityananda Sangha.
So Living Advaita in French is available from Nityananda Sangha French.
Now we are moving on to some more releases from the Antarjala Amnaya web team. The first website, Sri Paramahamsanityananda.com, a new website about our beloved master, Swamiji.
Nityananda Antarjala Amnaya Peetam is offering Sri Paramahamsanityananda.com to the world. The website is available, you can see and be blessed and use this.
Now, Kumbhamela.com, site that explains the deep significance of the Kumbh at its grandeur.
As Mahamandaleshwar of Mahanirvani Akada, I am releasing the official Kumbh Mela website, kumbhamela.com, which will now give everything about Kumbh Mela. All the details of Kumbh Mela will be available in this website. You can all enjoy.
Next, redesigned and content updated innerawakening.org, our website.
So, redesigned innerawakening.org is dedicated to the whole humanity. The team which did Paramahamsanityananda.org, Ma Yoganandini, Dikshananda, Satish, Varsha, Shreya, and the team which did Inner Awakening, Ma Prematma, Nagaditya, Malayarasan, blessings to all of you. Blessings to the whole team.
Releasing the next version of N Pregnancy Care website, that is npregnancycare.nityananda.org.
Blessings to the N Pregnancy team. Come on, give a good hand. It's not a small job. They have done a very good job. You think making somebody pregnant is very easy? Come on.
Now,
Trying may be easy, not making. Come on.
the releases from Nityananda Sangeeta Shala team. One more new album, Guru Vandanam.
Yay. And this is by actually my Mahatma Purnananda who is campaigning by herself. So the first copy goes to Atma Purnananda. So whoever has helped you, you can give one more thing to them.
Now inaugurating the official social media channels of our Nityananda Sangha, Nityananda News, news to transform your life. You can now be updated to date with news from the Nityananda Sangha on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and on YouTube.
Blessings.
Anandam Nityanandame.
Anyone who wants to cause inner awakening as their reality, who has completed their inner awakening, can call in to ask about completions. Anyone who is new to completions and wants clarity can make use of this show.
There is a beautiful show by Living Advaita by our Swamis and Swaminis. Every day after 8 to 9 a.m. and 8 to 9 p.m. in Nityananda TV, you can use this to raise yourself in the space of completion and living Advaita.
We have one more release of our website, releasing Hindu temples from now.com. It consists of information about top Hindu temples. As of now, 50 temples has been added. We will be continuously adding more temples there, like Tiruvannamalai temple, Kashi Vishwanatheshwara temple, and Akshardham temple.
So,
You see historical information.
formally I am inaugurating the website of Hindu temples.
Now, we are, after a very long time, we are moving on to a very special ordainment. We had in the campus, all over the world, participants attending Nityananda Yoga Acharya training and also Nityananda Yoga Kids training program for last 8 days. So, the teachers who are getting ordained will be receiving a
Nitya Dhyana
certificate
Yoga.
from Swamiji himself.
Nitya Dhyana Yoga teachers training and Nitya Dhyana Yoga for kids teachers training. So the whole team whose names are here, I declare and pronounce the team who is going to receive these certificates as Acharyas. Blessings to everyone who has become Acharyas to spread this message of ancient Vedic wisdom to the world. So with this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.